Hello, Ready here. We're going to be looking at this very nice brand new Philips Alto 70 watt pulse start ceramic metal halide bulb. This particular bulb I believe this bulb actually came in a floodlight fixture which was bought at a restore, I believe in Tempe or Phoenix, Arizona for about $10, which was actually very cheap for a floodlight plus a metal halide bulb to come along with it as well. So, pretty nice if I'm allowed to say that. So, anyways, let's go ahead and read the etch now and not waste any more time here and see what makes up this ceramic metal halide bulb. So once again I have to flip the bulb upside down so we can actually read the lamp etch because it is upside down. So first off, we have our company name on the top, which is Philips. And then of course we have our wattage, which is 70 watts. And then the R tells me that this lamp will emit ultraviolet radiation if it breaks. And then our nickname for this bulb is Alto. I think it's also printed on the base as well. Yep, there it is. It's engraved on the lamp etch on the base. And you see it's also on the bottom and top, which I think is awesome. And then of course our ballast code is the M143, and it's enclosed rated because there is no shield around the arc tube. So it's the M143, which is the 70 watt ceramic metal halide ballast. But this bulb is compatible with the M98 as well, since it's 70 watts. And then of course we have our basically our production made in the United States. And I don't know what that I is. I think that means it has an internal igniter in it, but I don't know. And then I don't know what the G8-2 means. I think that's the manufacturing date, but let me know what the manufacturing date of this lamp is. So of course we have our mercury symbol after that, and then of course we have our lamp description on the bottom. So the MHC telling me that this is a ceramic metal halide lamp. The 70 tells me that that's the wattage. And then our operating position is universal. And then the M means that that's the base type, which is medium base. And then our color temperature is listed right here. Even though it says 4K right here, the color temperature is actually 4200K or cool white. And the CRI of this bulb is 90, which is actually really good. It's almost as good as a Venture Lighting 950 series metal halide natural white bulb, which I think is awesome. It almost is natural white, but it shows a little bit of cool white when it's at full brightness, so I think that's pretty cool. So now that we're done looking at the lamp etch, let's look at the construction of how this lamp was made. So first off, we have our very nice brass base with a glass insulator, since this bulb is quite old. So, and then of course we have bulb glue on the side of the bulb and in the base right here, so we can actually, so it stays on sturdily. And then of course we have our stem right here, which is actually very good. It's in really good condition, as you can see. And then of course we have all of our metal parts that strap to the arc tube and welded together. And then of course our very tiny little ceramic metal halide arc tube. So I believe the material of the arc tube is pretty much the same as a high pressure sodium arc tube, so aluminum oxide. And the formula for aluminum oxide is, I believe, AlO2, I believe. If anybody knows what aluminum oxide is, please let me know. Please let me, basically, just write the formula in the comments section below if you know what the formula for aluminum oxide is. So, anyways, I had a little bit of trouble there talking for a second, so excuse me for that. So now I'm going to give you some specifications about this bulb, and then I'll turn it on, since we're done looking at the construction of the lamp. So this particular lamp here produces 5300 lumens, so it is actually quite bright, even for a 70 watt metal halide lamp. The lifetime on this bulb here is 12,000 hours, so that's pretty nice. We have a 2,000 more extra lifetime than a quartz metal halide, since 70 watt metal halide lamps have an average life of 10,000 hours, so we have a little bit of an advantage there, which is nice. So 2,000 plus more hours. So, and the color temperature is 4200K or cool white according to the lamp etch, even though it only says 4000K, but it's 4200 Kelvin. The CRI of this bulb is 90, which is really good. So, I don't believe I have anything else to say. I don't have any other specifications in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and give this bulb a shot now and let it start up. Hopefully there won't be any issues with the arc tube at all. So let's go ahead and screw it into this fixture here, which is actually on top of a 250 watt high pressure sodium shoebox parking lot fixture. And this bulb is not screwed in all the way, so I have to do it like this. So just bear with me as I turn this inside. I'm trying to get it inside here. Alright. Let's do it like that. Alright, here we go. That's better. So now I'm going to set the camera on the ballast here, and this ballast here is a 100 watt metal halide ballast, so I'm overloading the lamp by 30 watts, so hopefully there won't be any issues with it turning on. So as you can see, yeah, I have a disco bulb on right now, which is pretty cool, and it's lighting up the arc tube in various colors, RDX, GDX, and BDX, which is pretty cool. So that's not the title of this video though, unfortunately. So anyways, let's go ahead. I'm going to set the camera right here so you can get a good view of the lamp turning on. Let me put my welding helmet on, or actually I have it on me, but I'm just going to put it down directly on my face so I don't get blinded by this bulb. So anyways, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and turn on this brand new Philips 70 watt ceramic metal halide lamp. Here we go. So the lamp has pretty much reached full brightness now. As you can see, this bulb is vivid cool white. Look at this thing. It's almost daylight, which is pretty cool, but it's not. It's cool white. So as you can see, this lamp here lights up this room super nicely in vivid cool white. So anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this Philips 70 watt ceramic metal halide lamp turning on. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you all very much for watching.